Hey, I got a really quick video on taking gum out of carpet. What is that? It looks like some gum got stuck to somebody's foot. Okay, I just removed the floor mat out of the van and we're gonna see if we can get the gum out. We got a few methods here. Okay, first method is I just got a little ice pack and I'm going to put it directly on the gum. We'll see if we can get it cold. Other methods we have the goof off. We know this will work, but I'm gonna try not to put the chemical in the carpet. There's also, if you get like a can of compressed air, you can turn it upside down and spray it. There's also this method where you use acetone. Probably not gonna do this because I don't wanna take the color out of the carpet, but this would definitely work. And another method is rubbing alcohol. So with that, we got some of it out and you can see we got just some chunks of gum. But now it's mainly just a little bit kind of caked in there. So I am going to get the goof off and we'll use this next, which should work anyway. Let's see. Is it coming out? Yes. It's definitely melting the glue more. Let's try to take this. You can definitely see that working pretty effectively. So put a little bit more in there. Working it in. That's pretty good. Okay. All we have left now, some on my fingernails, but basically this stuff basically melted the gum, got most of it off. Just have some now. I need to get this, it's a little sticky right there. So I'm probably just gonna get some soap and water. Okay, for our final, we are going to just take some soap and water here, put it over here, and just scrub a little bit more to just get out anything that's in there. I'll just get, I really love these rags. This is what I use all the time. Scott's rags are basically my go-to thing. Okay, I'm just gonna blot. And I'm also just, as I'm going down, I'm kind of squeezing a little bit just to pull up any more additional gum that's in there. But looks like I pretty much got it. There's like a couple of tiny little specks left. All right, we got it back in and it looks good. That actually wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be, but hopefully this was helpful. We'll catch you next time.